What did you think you would be when you grew up?
I was fucking thinking like I'm gonna be a freaking doctor or somebody, but no. When it comes to studies and going to school, man, I just fucked up the whole shit so bad I can't even imagine. So now I'm not a doctor, but yeah, whatever I'm doing is pretty decent. I think I like it. So I'm pretty happy with my life. End of the day.
Was your family mad at you for not doing that?
I would ask me if I give a fuck. No, sir.
But I was just wondering if they gave a fuck.
They do give a fuck, then it's their problem, not mine, you know.
But are they proud of you now?
They do actually, yeah. They like all, I don't know, they probably, because they watch all my videos and everything. Hopefully they do. If they don't like me or if they're not proud of me now, man, that's their problem, dude. Nothing I can do. There's like freaking so many people in the family, you know. I can't make everybody happy, so that's what it is. Just concentrate on my freaking shit, bro. That's what the motive is.
Facts.